This is the for sale video for the 74 Bombardier Muskeg Tractor. Dad has just had it plugged in here for about an hour. He's gonna start it up and we're gonna run it around in the field. Okay, fired right up. And so completely rebuilt, belongs to the customer. Dad did some engine work there. It's a diesel engine. There's 16 of those tires on this machine, and those tires are the heavy-duty tires. Those tires are $1,500 each. So there's $24,000 worth of tires on this Muskeg tractor, made by Bombardier. And definitely what you need for any swamp work you want to do, any winter roading operations where you need to get through mid-sized trees or logging operation. And Dad just backed it up here, but he's gonna tour it around a bit so you guys can see. Having just fired up, it's moving pretty good, and I'm gonna follow Dad out into the field. So he's just turned the corner here. I'm gonna have to zoom in a bit while he's out there, and as you can see, no problems so far. And the reason why we use the field is it's uneven ground and it's a good test area. And I'm just gonna stop here and I'm gonna zoom in. So again, a 74 Bombardier Muskeg Tractor. If you guys need it for winter roading, logging operations, getting through the swamp, you can't go wrong with this machine. It belongs to the customer, but we are selling it for them. And you can see how peppy it is here and how easy it is to go through the field. Middle of November, we don't have any snow yet, so we can't show you anything with the snowing operations. But he well, looks like he's going right through the garden right now. And but he's got a good speed going on here. Put new seats in there, and easy to turn, good turning. If you just gonna round the corner here now. So it runs. That's the test run right there, guys. The as long as you keep it maintained, you'll have no issues with this machine. Another one customer might be looking at it already. We just showed this machine to two other guys this morning and they were interested. Dad still has the other Bombardier Muskeg Tractor, the 73 in the shop, and it's going to be gas. This one's diesel. And we're going to do a quick walk around. Dad can explain some of the stuff. So,
in behind here is a brand new rad.
Yeah. So that rad was Record and in Winnipeg. Access plates here, easily removed.
And, that's a new block.
Yeah.
And the heads were done as new filters, starter.
Okay. Battery box right here, guys, for ease of use. All the wiring was redone on the inside. There's a junction box there. Fits 3.
New seats.
Yeah.
New windows.
We just installed the windows here, so all the windows are, and the escape hatch on the top was worked on.
Yep.
And put in a couple new gauges as well. This one's diesel. You fill it in the front. And You can add in extra stuff, new lights or light bars or whatever you want. But explain to everybody the reason why we have this here as well.
This guard?
Yeah.
Well, when they're smashing down the bush, rather than going into the lights in the windows, this folds over the bush to drive on.
Okay.
There's 16 tires on this machine. It's double track.
Yeah. And so
There's 4-speed manual.
okay. And
All the wheel bearings have been, those are oil hubs. They've all been redone. It's got new sprockets. Tracks are pretty near new.
okay.
Tires and rims.
So there it is, guys. 74 Bombardier Muskeg Tractor. And there's another access plate on that side too. Just taking it off. And so if you're looking for, like I said, a good machine for winter road operations, logging operations, any swamp operations, you can't go wrong with this one. So you can contact us at 204-623-6328. Again, that's 204-623-6328. This machine is for sale. The price is $40,000. Belongs to the customer. If you're looking for any sort of discount, you have to discuss with me. But the first person that comes with certified bank draft or money order can buy it. We do have the second one in the shop that you guys can see on the other videos. It's a 73 Bombardier Muskeg Tractor. The only difference is it's going to be a gas motor, and we are just finishing it off. You guys want to buy the pair, we can definitely do a discount, but we think it's $40,000 is a fair and safe price on this. Again, alone $24,000 worth of wheels on this, so this is very reasonably priced, available for purchase right now. So if you guys are looking for a new machine for your fleet, give us a call, and we're located in the Manitoba.